Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. There's something incredibly satisfying about a loud, crisp crunch. So satisfying that we crave it even when the flavor is simple. Today, we're breaking down why crunchy foods feel irresistible, from potato chips to toasted bread. It's not just about taste, it's about sound, texture, and how your brain interprets the experience. A soft apple feels disappointing, but a crisp one feels perfect. Crunch triggers multiple senses at once. When you bite down, the food's fracture creates tiny vibrations that travel through your jawbone straight to your inner ear. Your brain interprets that sound as a sign of freshness and quality. At the same time, the resistance of a crunchy texture activates touch receptors in your mouth, giving you a mini reward signal. This multi-sensory hit releases dopamine, making crunchy foods feel more exciting than soft ones. That's why manufacturers engineer the perfect crunch. Your brain is wired to love it. If a dish feels flat, adding a crunchy element can instantly elevate it. Think toasted nuts on a salad, crispy onions on a casserole, or a quick pan-fried breadcrumb topping on pasta. You're not just adding texture, you're adding a sensory reward that makes the whole dish more satisfying. Humans evolved to associate crunch with freshness because many spoiled foods become soft, so your brain still treats a good crunch as a sign of safety. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.